Blessings to you, blessings to you. Truly grateful, my beautiful people, yard and abroad, Jamaican lifestyle blocks, everybody in a yard. You don't know, it's a blessings to be here with you once more. You know, Colasimi TV, big up on yourself, you know, honor, joy, you know, grateful to be here. Yes, my people, it's a joy. I see a couple comment, couple people asking how I get this opportunity to be on the farm work. Well, it wasn't an easy one, but big up my MP back home. Yeah, Michelle Charles, big up yourself, you know. Yes, it was my MP that gave me that card, you know. Yes, so you don't know, you take your important documents like passport, TRN, NIS, 3 passport size photo, you know, and you take it to them and, you know, them write up and you wait on your call. Okay, it take me like couple months to get the call from the MP that I did get the card and stuff. That part wasn't hard. Very quick, very swift. Yeah, so big up my MP. Yeah, and afterwards, you know, the process, to go through all those processes, like you get a next call. When I get the call from the MP office and you go and them tell you that, oh, you're gonna visit like the Ministry of Labour by Marantby or so, and you know, them take some important information from you. You have to have your farmer's ID, and you know, because I see many people on the farm don't really have a farmer's ID, but me have my own. Well, them take your farmer's ID and them ask you what you really do for your living. You see me? Well, everybody know me as a youth way. Plant and banana and eat still. Me pick my breadfruit and, you know, coconut and stuff. Go market, go sell, star apple. When apple time, you know how we do it already. A whole heap of crate of joe go up on head and all of that. You know? So, yes, peeps. There, I wait for the call after me do all that. Them take that information, they ask me what me do and me explain all of that. You know, them tell her like, alright, you can go home and sit and relax and wait for a call. You know? So if you feel that first interview there that you go at the first ministry go do, probably you won't get a call. But if you bingo, meaning say you tell them what they want for hear, say that you is a farmer, you do this for a living and that, and them understand and them look through and see say, oh well, yes, you know, them check your radar ID and the system say yes, when them they check your farm you have that a plant and you know, yeah, you're good. Anyway, from that you're gonna get some call. You're gonna get some call to go many more other places. Gonna cost money, but nothing is free. You have to just tell yourself, say this is what you want and you're gonna go at it. Anyway, going on, so me get the call them and so me have to find the money to go, you know. And it take me around 3 years because I think that 2019, if me no lie, 2019 or 2020. I think at 2020, me get the card. They look same, but they all lift up like 2020. Yeah, never work. Well, 2021, me I say, yes, I eat this. Nothing same way. Last year, me I say, well, this I year, cause me I tell say, so you get the call them and you go on the interview, you know, you have to just try to be just try remember everything that you tell them. Just make sure you don't slip. Try if you tell no lie. Just try if you be yourself. Tell them that you do banana and planting and you pick breadfruit now and then, and you will pick apple and stir apple when the crop is in, and you try remember everything that you tell them, because them already have the first information that you give them on the first day. So if I hear after them ask you what you do for your living and you come back, when you tell them say, yo, me plant banana and plant, you come tell them no, say you plant pepper. Oh, that is an incorrect information to where you give them the last year back. So them no want you. You just turn on yourself. So you have to just stay true to yourself. No say, boy, a banana and plant, me plant, So at this, me tell them and I hit me and stay upon. You see what me I say? Yes, because them like when you be real to yourself, when when them check and miggle, because and miggle, no, it kind of looks smooth, But I remember one idea one time them asked when I think what you call a part there? They have a name where you really call it selection. When we go selection people, and them give you one little booklet for read, and not hard though. That part wasn't hard, because me kind of just, when the person asked me if me can read, I was like, me smile and say, but we try, because me know me can do little, but want to say yes, and then when them rise up on paper, so you are book on it, so you see me just like, but we try, and they say okay, and then hold up the paper, so I'm like, I say, but you can't read, man. And I was like joyful of myself, because me always I say, yo, me not the best reader, so I'm not glad to say me can read. But that was okay. When them check my hand they full of bacon, so them actually say, oh yeah man, this man is a farmer for true. Yeah. Them ask you like how much days for the week you can work. So when you say, boy, I can work like 5-6 days, then we say, oh, 7 days a week you have to go plan for work, young man or whatsoever. Because if you tell you the truth, even though them tell you that you will get day off, you won't get any day off unless it's necessary for you to get it. Because out here, so it's difficult for you to get day off. This crop will go to waste. The crop them grow very fast. So if you actually take a rest today and tell yourself, see, you won't working today, you make the boss lose an extra $1,000 a year or an extra $500 a year. Because remember, you would have picked stuff on your side of the machine or whatsoever. So if you stay home in the bunkhouse now, your own as the next person would have to go pick your row or so. So you're short, you make a man short there. So work of a put in, now go get for put in. So it's actually a dedicated moment. You have to dedicate yourself to what you're doing. Because tell you the truth, not easy. Because the first week when me touch it, I was like, yo, seriously, this, yeah man, this hard man, rough. Yeah, because peeps, if you bend your back, and boy something, even when you do get used to it, you still feel like some little, bees are stinging in your waistline, they are in your back the same way. You see what I say? So, even though you get to man over it where, yeah, me get love it now, but at the end of the day, you still, I go a feel that. So, if you not plan for hard work, make sense you say you plan for farm work. Because, manners, excuse me, hard work, then say are the key to success. You see me, and you have to one start from the hard to reach it easy. So if you tell yourself, say, say me I go tilt the soil and put in some stuff, and by the next 15 years time or the next 10 years time, if you do this, yes, you can tell yourself that I'm putting enough crap. Because that is what we back home fall short. You know, you have some people who put in a lot at one crop. You know, that's how Missy say money really can make. If you tell yourself, so, now plant little sorrel there, so, little corn there, so, it now go work out, you know. And I hope this vlog or this content can actually strengthen someone back home, you know, motivate. Because peeps, let me tell you this. At one point in time, me dey plan say, boy, no look like no foreign no go again in a car. You know, because me always I tell my people on my channel, say, me have a surprise to you guys, but me can't let the pussy out of the bag. Me can't tell you now why yet. Because the reason why I couldn't tell you guys is what? I remember sharing it with someone, with a loyal subscriber, and I think the person think I was lying because I did show them every information, and like, you know, me know a couple other people think I was lying. Couple close person to me, because actually I send them the date when me go do the last I think medical or biometrics, one out of the two. And when me even send it to the person them and say, boy, you know, me no know when they call, but me have the money I have to pay and the money they have to pay. Peeps, luckily me have my baby mother, you know, because actually, you know, you have somebody there where you are reason with and things. It's not like you're telling say, boy, you know, say, me want you to help me with this, but you actually show them how much the money is and everything. And you was like, more I want the day for come when me can lift up, but you don't really quite sure when is the day, but the money have a X time for pay. You see it, and you can pay and fail, and you can pay and go through. So it was one out of the two. Either it pay and fail. But me, from me start do the process, me believe to say yes, it's my time this. Me just feel so my goal this. Even though it take long, me just excited from the moment me do biometrics, me do medical and all of them stuff there. It's like me get excited even though me not get the call yet. But me remember when me ask when me do think the biometrics, and me said to the lady up at the biometrics place, me I said, so what you say, I eat this now? And she said, once you see me take your passport, man, you're good to go. And I say, yeah. And I so me kind of say, what? Like me I go travel on plane for sure. You see what me I say, so? And me I tell you say that was like from early October. And me was like, you know, me no get no call it. You know, that's how me do the last piece of thing them. I mean I say me no get no call it. So it's a thing we have to just hold on strong. Don't let go, don't tell yourself so, oh, you know, say me do this thing 4 months back and me no get no call, so I hit this. Me say when me sort out figure a trust people, and me say 2 weeks or a week before me get the call for come over here. Me get the call for go trust people. Believe it, because me have to say I saw me do it. Me not put me not tell myself so me I put make them in a one basket. Me I say, oh, this not happen. Well, me want to go and do this. You would even do it, people. I just saw me stay. If you don't notice, me try go bush, me try burn coal, me try go market, because me want wear nice something, woman want wear nice something, me pick them want wear nice something, and still them have to go school. You know? So if you say you want to feel like have a little something, you can't put the egg them in a one basket. Like you say, oh, alright, at a 9 to 5 I have so I eat alone I have to go work. Me agree say sometimes, you know, maybe have a land where you can raise some chicken, or you probably don't like the scent of the chicken coop or whatsoever. But there's so much other things in place that you can do. So me not go tell her one say, oh, true, me I raise pig or me I raise chicken, you can do it too. You maybe your sinus or you have some form of allergy where you know like smell chicken or you know, because sometimes the chicken could trigger off my sinus. If me go in at the coop, like when them just buy and stuff, me can the scent affect me but not that terrible. But you see by going at the coop, it kinda make me sinus trigger off. But me know when me want, so even though me know say my sinus trigger off, me still try to do it because me know say boy, eventually one night time me go reach upon a level where me a pay people for work, do that part there. So, you know, me always dream big even though me not have it. You see what me say, my dream is not small. You know, I always think big. I always like see one house I sell. I'm like take the number even though I can't buy the house. That's how me pray. You see me? Boom, me I go out the road, buy me I go out the road, me a man say, you know, say me have a family we call me there say you want one house buy. Me I say, and me just boom take the number right away and me I say, you know, me take off a number here where they say me want, me like the house there where them a sell and rate. Me don't know if you don't want to try that as some me do it people. Me is just that kind of person where even though I see something I like, but if I see somebody will come before we want it, I not go on like because remember I'm poor, but I have big dreams. I think way big. I don't really think small, true, I don't have it. I think on a wide scale. And more have to say a big thanks, enough respect to my real sister back there in Yuatan, St. Catherine. You know, I want to say great love to you guys. You know, big up my niece. You know, Kibret, big up yourself. Yeah, I know you feel good. You get to big up on vlogs. Yeah, yeah, man. Big up Mel, Melissa. Big up yourself, sister. You know, one of you so where you come from. You know, so me nah go on like me shake if you give her a big up. You see what I say? Because real know real. You see what I say? Big up whole finger. You see me? General Latino, big up. You see me? Big up whole of Yuatan, St. Catherine, Waterloo, Brownstone, name it. Orange Shield, all of them places there. You know what I mean? All of them, me no big up. You don't know. You take you big up. Upper Manic top there, big up on yourself. Everybody, when you get to know big up on yourself. Lowidersville, Pine Hill, yeah, big up, you know? Yeah, man. Our blessings, people. Honor for the out there. Hope somebody find this video special, you know? Yeah, man. Greatness, my people. I'm out for now. Check in with you another time. I say, peeps, that day I need touring outside. No, sir, I say something when me there assist her. I say, I can't believe me have to start looking at tree and now and then sitting there. So little black thing people. I say they fast like a gunshot. I say, I don't know if a squirrel in name or what. But I tell you say come like me not work good as a patch a rabbit here people. But I can't stop at people here. That's the way show the rabbit. See if I can catch him on the vlog. See the people, wanna see him? Let me say like a whole heap of something that I see I say no people. Me one night I catch him on the channel liquor. I know what they know for this. Let's say people me just see some little black something. I take with themselves, me I say wait. What go on there? What go on there people? Little man. Yeah, peeps. Yeah, I want to see if I can catch two pieces of clippings. See you, beautiful people. as usual. Birds all about and them thing there. Out and about to the people, work over early. And like say, me have nothing else to do. Decided to just ride out on the road, you know. Yeah. Because me have nothing else to do and boring at the bunkhouse same way, you know. So I just decided to just ride out. I see a couple of excited things that I should have really catch already on the vlog, but never the call to mind on the video, you know, and then, you know. So I don't know if when me a ride I go back down, if me I go lucky if you know, actually buck up any. Yeah, but it was great so far riding through and see, you know, all those little stuff running. Yeah, and then running to the tree too, you know, people. Till me have to see asparagus people. Yeah, and asparagus plant so. Behind we out there saying people, you see the road and look. So one Jamaican road and look, every crib is on corner. Take myself off the road, you know. It's just a small unit. See that? Yeah. Hills and valleys, you know, people. I don't even know which part me I go. Don't even know which part made into peeps. But, you know, this is Canada on the countryside. Yeah. Countryside of Canada. Never know some would have see bush when I come to Canada. Yeah, people, they say bicycle have brakes. Just riding through my people. Riding through, you know. Family get together over in the yard. No, don't make your camera over the door. Outside the bicycle not moving. I deal with it. Me no give them the bicycle a while. I give them the bicycle a while. They not gone out, so. How you get bicycle?
Bicycle me take from you don't go nowhere.
Well, me just a scroll on a video, you know. So if eh? Ah. No up enough feel no way and come catch in my camera. I don't know how them a plant over here, so people. I don't know something a plant over there. That sound a little while sound like woodpecker in a tree. Nah, go look at them bird there, there's a place you do. What you mean that prrr prrr. I don't know if you know yet the quiet. Me say. Yes, my people, as you can see. Yeah, man. I actually reach on crossroad. Them a show you where the road is closed. Yeah, them a show you that road is closed up that side. So yeah, we're heading out, people. Heading out on the walk to the peeps. Yeah, man. So stay tuned, watch you all go on. Yeah, watch you all go on. Watch your ride. Yeah, man. Authentic ride to the people. Yeah, man. Me just go and do it for you guys. Yeah, man. So stick and stay. Wondering if some asparagus them there. Probably is a young field and them make it grow because 3 years I think them say asparagus take before it fully ready and can, you know, cook and stuff, you know. So them grow up fine like those, them cut them down until them start swell, you know, till them start get very, very thick, you know. Some of them will slim same way, but most of them is gonna be thick. So I don't know if it's a young asparagus field this, you know, but I'm gonna take some seed back home with me and try it and see how it work out back home. Yeah, man. Stay tuned for the rider, people. Riding on the country road, you know. Yeah, man. Riding on the country road, people. Very hard ride because the bicycle isn't the best, but yeah, got to do what we got to do just to present some content to you. Yeah, you and you and you, every one of you. Yeah, out here doing the right thing, people. Yeah, was coming up on a hill just a too long a while ago and hear one dog a bark, you know. I just take out the phone, people, cause, you know, just trying to be on the safe side, yeah. I know some people will say my twang like, yeah, sometimes you have to, you know, fix up the words them nice and the next time you just chat bad, yeah. So, we're out here doing it right, yeah, real Jamaican out here, and this bicycle, yeah. Some guys going further than me, you know, and I borrow the ride, so yeah, just let him have it, cause you know I borrow goods them people and them they there for we. So yeah, active out here, man, doing content, you know, country road style. Country road, how that song they go again? Don't even remember. You never know. Oh, if a DJ I didn't remember that song there. No, sir. I have my laptop now, I just type in country road. Come up fast. No, sir. You're so sweet, people. On a blackbird over there, so people I don't even know if it's in black. So we just say that blackbird. Yeah. You see people? Yeah, and forest style out of people. I don't think I go see no what they call it, a wildcat. Yeah. I don't know if a wildcat or a wild dog. Them may have some co-worker wherever I want me board, so I have to ride alone and all of them stuff there. But people, I'm one of those brave Jamaicans, you know, out and about, yeah, doing my little, you know, half work duty, yeah, just to present to you guys. Enough people ever know say so many bush is on this side of the world, you know. So yeah, them have little forest thing on, you know. Eventually, you know, them places soon be farm area too, you know, people. And some nice house could soon out here and thing too. So yeah, man, next time we go there, I pass us and I say, oh yeah. And I hear somebody put palm flag in, you know? And I say, oh yeah. Me can't believe say, but when them brush down them places, still no people, everywhere actually look as one, you know. Yeah, me I tell you, them places are just different, yeah. At Jamaica, you really can say, oh, yeah, so me reach right away where you so, and you know, them places are people just totally different. And you don't really see nobody where you can say, alright, I'm going to ask a person a question, unless it's a farm worker like yourself, you know? Yeah, man, because growing up on here, being in them places here, you will easily get charged if you like steer upon people certain way, like, you know, overlook people. And if you like see people and talk to them without them talk to you first, so people may kind of know them little thing there, and you know, just always be careful. So yeah, out here trying to be careful. As you can see, the sun very warm, you know, very warm. Yeah, and let me see the time. Time is 7:20 in the night. Jamaica would have been night. Over here is evening, 7:20. Yeah, so out here riding. I don't know if I can reach up with my friend from Jamaica base. I always tell him say I want to ride come which part in there. Just to at least know which part in there. You see it? So let me see how far I can ride go. In that one place named Under the Hill or something like that. So I don't know how far me there from there, because it's not like me a Google track it or track him I would say him area where him there. Me just start riding. So actually me don't know how much miles away me there from which part him there or anything. I mean, one of you guys curious, I go say mind me last. Look at those corn people. Very nice corn field. And if you tell you the truth, them not plant long time ago. But me no know, them soil are just rich differently. And you know them put them little fertilizer and stuff, but them soil are people, them corn no plant 3 weeks back. Around think of 2 weeks them plant now. And see them going on very nice. Yeah, man. So it's a learning process, people. Training process as well. So I know when I go back to Jamaica, I have to be very hard working than how me used to be, because it's like, you know, the years so and see how hard you really have to work, and knowing that if you're doing it for yourself back home from say, because imagine you work say probably 5:30 in the morning till 7, 8 o'clock in the night. And you go your bush and you are going to say probably then put on a pot in the morning there, you know, and then you start your ball a roll, go and check your pot now and then, you know, and if you just dedicate yourself to your farm, I think it will pay. You know, pay real good, because knowing that I go market, and worse if one day I find up a own vehicle where I can drive carry my stuff to market, I think all those things would have be easier. But you know, peeps are us, we have to dedicate ourselves, you know, to what we want. Put in the work and then the hard work will pay off, you know. Yeah, man. So people, just look what I go on out here both sides of the road, because I probably I show one side, but yeah, man, excellent work going on out here, you know. Yeah, man, great work. As me tell you, sometimes me have to ride and come out and show you guys what taking place on this side of the world, so you guys can have a better understanding of what Canada is all about, you know. Yeah, man. See JPS wire them run actually same way like Jamaica and all of that. I think the higher voltage is on this side, the lower voltage is on that side. Yeah, so yeah, man. Even them show you underneath some of the light posts, them tell us say them have on the light post like warning sign. Don't really see any on this light post, but yeah man, them have some warning sign with them put up. Yeah man, out there you don't really see people at bus stop unless I probably in a town or so. You don't see people at bus stop or them place, you know. Like bus go right at the kids them yard to pick them up and you know. Yeah man, them places run totally different people. You know, insurance and them thing they run them places, you know. So yeah man. Out here would I really love to live over here, you know. Yeah man. Own some of them machine and then sitting there on night time. You know. Have some men come work. You don't want to be so strict though. But you know as a boss you have to be, you know. You have to be protective and have a little strictness but you can't too strict. You know it windy right now, so you guys probably hardly hear what I say good thing. Stay tuned. Don't even know where I'm going to. We got those birds, people. A lot of birds. Yeah. A lot of birds, my people. We're gonna see some more asparagus here, people. Asparagus, people. Yeah. Bird for days, people. Want to reach closer to them. See if I can get a nice clippings off of them. I say people, you know I believe what catch I right now. The bird ain't gone left I too. Bird ain't gone left. Wait, I want left right now. Yeah, there are some bush there people. Well, the amount of birds you see me, I say, yeah, would I get a nice epic one, you know. Show you some birds. Bird ain't afraid, aye. There are people actually, you know. Stick and stay, watch all go on. Yes, peeps. Heading through same way. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, check you know. Many roads, you know, people. Right now. Yeah, so sweet. Many roads, people free. You see what I go on? You have to remember when I ride, you know. Yo, stick and stay, watch you are going. If me last, you don't last with me too. Yo, you're so sweet. Come eat people. Look on a bird, man. Jaja. I saw a bird and just dead over here more while. Just let me know in the comment section there. Yeah, man. Out here, people without fear, you know. Someone now worry and say, oh, you alright, go so far, and night a come. So a nice you could open the people, go them a feed. Yeah, feed out. I'm gonna show you bicycle and car there. Give the big unit and we make them pass, you know. Yeah, boy. Right now, people. So I'm about to turn back, you know, car. And Thursday, in a Jamaican term, do I say my body tired? Yeah. In real life, people. But I'm tired right now. Yeah, the bad dog over here, you know. Look at the corns and people, very beautiful, nice. Yeah. See like bicycle ride and I go on down here, so people. No catch a little hour going down there. At the entertaining moment. Bad dog go and bad over here there. Want to get something to eat, you know. Look at that beautiful cornfield. Blessings. Yeah, Ella drive out here, the people. Touching out, you know, people. Nice cornfield, people. Come on, don't worry about it, peeps. I just go and show you a little walk one and then I just take time, but it's a huge turn, you know. Yeah, man. Them people they look like they specialize in asparagus because it's an next asparagus field is over here. So, but to me people, I feel like there's some young field them here, you know. So by say next year, cause I can see a nice amount of fat size one getting there, you know. So, cause remember knowledge is wisdom, wisdom and overstanding are the best, you know. You see me? And when you have that people, you actually can pray and know because what them actually tell us, you have to make the plant the asparagus for like 3 years before it can really, you know, start bear. So where you can get it to eat. So actually people see this now and see them whole heap of fine ones there can actually tell me that, you know, it's a young field. So hopefully for say next year some more Jamaicans can come fly over to really, you know, make some food off of this asparagus field. So yeah man, thumbs up to the farmer out here doing thing, you know. Very lovely, beautiful. Out here just taking it nice and sweet on the environment, you know. Yeah man. Lovely ride out today. Lovely ride out, peeps. Yeah man. Just taking it 1-3 style. Yeah, lovely corn. Lovely corn, people. Yeah. Lovely environment also, you know. Yeah man. Lovely place. Yeah, sweet Canada, you know. As me I say, it's just a little touring, you know, me giving you guys, you know. Hope you guys love it and all of that. Yeah man. Think it more than excellent. And you guys will enjoy it, I know. Yeah. Here's a little pond. As you can see, peeps, there's a little boat over there as well. You know, you can tell there's a lot of fish inside here. Yeah. You can see that, you know. People I want to say there's a little water, I see running under the road, there's a little while, you know. But them places is a place where I don't know, I just kind of have a little scariness of stopping, you know, knowing that I'm a black person and, you know, for the look down in a gully and thing, and probably I hold my phone, people would think negative, so, I don't know, that's just my belief, you know, so, that's the reason why I don't show you guys. I don't know if when I come back, I can stop and, you know, give you guys a little view there, but, you know, very long riding me doing here, you know, people. Yeah, man. I feel like these fields are some young asparagus field. You know, the boss them working on. Not our boss though, but you know. Yeah, man. You can see say next year this will be a prosperous asparagus field. You know, worse if it get the right fertilizer and stuff. Yeah, man. As you can see, right through is asparagus, man. So I tell you, this field is gonna be excellent. You know, this field is really gonna be excellent. Yeah, and you can see the road them and thing. Not really a big, and it will look like it don't big and it's extra big. Because I just saw the land them situate over here. Not until you get on the machine to cut it, yeah, you realize, oh, this field is really big. Yeah, but I think a 3-man machine can run off this for the day. Yeah, yeah, man. So let's go on tour with me, people. Sorry about that, peeps. You know, so if I come over here, I realize that sometimes my nose feel one weird way. To even know, yeah. I don't know if I change of climate or what. And then if you follow if you buy things, you know, so you have to just careful how you spend all of that, you know. Yeah, man. But as I say, still more I live here, you know. Yeah, man, really would I love to live out here, you know. You know me that country one idea, I love my country life. You know, even if me have to work in the town and then build up myself and then me forward on the countryside. Yeah, I like the countryside, you know. I tell you, countryside would have been nice, very beautiful place. Why people, when me look on that stretch, I feel go out there, so this I tell me say turn back. Yeah, this I tell me say turn right back, people. Because the bicycle have the gear. Oh, then he put a piece of sticky in there, but that can't work. I'm sure you wouldn't do people. Then put a piece of sticky in there. Yes, peeps, still same up my ride, go a little more upon this church, you know. Yeah, man, you know if it look like implant soya bean over here so as well. Yeah, it look like a soya bean. You're out here, people, taking some nice tour of the place. Yeah, on the countryside here. Yeah, man. Taking a nice tour out here, my people. Yeah. Yeah, one thing the bird can eat up some place. Oh, sir. Them bird on a ramp. Then there are some little place unbelievable. Down on the road there, no people may just bust a huge train, you know? Yeah, man. A good ride as I see, you know? Good ride. But me kinda, if I realize the bicycle I move a little faster, yeah, man, you can put one stone in the people. The stick with them put in there when the bicycle pressure take it, it squeeze it up, you know? Yeah, so when the stone in there, it can't squeeze the stone. Yeah. It squeeze the stone, but it can't break the stone. Man, we out here, people. On the country road here. No, I don't see anything excited to put on the vlog like home in the city too. I don't even sure if I squirrel or what. But hopefully when I get in down back, if I see them, I will surely let you guys take a look. Don't worry about it. Right out on the stretcher, so. And then I turn right back. And then I can stop and bust a leak right off. So. I don't know if we can do that. I don't hope I don't catch in trouble. Peeps, I don't hope I don't catch in trouble. Hold on there, big people. Yes, peeps. Get the free up and nice again. Yeah. Tell the people. So if you want to try this the same way, you know, next young kick can't feel that over there, people. Yeah, man. A squirrel and dead regular out there in the high road. Although I talk about a squirrel and I don't even sure if a squirrel. Don't stop. Very nice ride me make, people. Very, very, very nice ride out. Next time I'm just gonna ride to the other side. Yeah. Do some content from the other side. Yeah. But I would have loved to catch the sun when it's setting. Like from out here, so it would have been great. But I don't really stay till so late. I think at 2:09, little 2:09 before the sun will set. So that's a very long while. Yeah. We're out here, people. This is our next young cornfield. Yeah, man. Tell the people. We'll leave a corn in the next few months. You know? Whole lot of corn. Touring along, touring along, touring along on the street of Canada, touring along. I'm touring along, I'm touring along, I'm touring along on the street of Canada, I'm touring along, yeah. It's been a sweet vibes when it come into summertime. The sun is so warm, you make you feel like it can come out in just a marina. Whoa. Trouble, people. Let me know what I saw in the comment there. Trouble, yeah. I'm full joy in this place. Wow, people. Like me, I see one apple farm. I'm gonna make you see what apple farm is all about. I look, you say, me ain't turn back here. No, sir. You're so sweet. Bird I met nice in a tree. Look, you say, me ain't turn back yet, people. Look, you say, I man never turn. I fast up them there. Fast duck to Ratty that look out. All of them are look on different way. Yes, peeps, nice place. Yeah. Think them iron there will pump water. Probably from the lake or something. Not quite sure. But if you're sure about it, let me know in the comment section. Yeah, just out here, the apple field and the weird one about the people. Not quite sure if I can see it. I mean, I know. Let me see if I can turn on. Hey, people, if you ever follow the road that you continue till you never stop. Look how the road that pretty what gone, so. Oh, sir. Like that bird that fly past you and just fly past in our vehicle star. No, sir. I can't show no everything, people. If I show no everything, I get some kind of, what you call it, black or whatsoever. Because the amount of thing we water that the bird they look wild. I couldn't show you that. Don't have to talk about it. Yeah. Young cornfield, as me say, people. Yeah. See the mature cornfield over here, so. Yeah. Old dump road, people. Yeah. See if I can escape good enough, so just show you the apple field. Because I don't think I go no further, so. Go right there, so. Show you, look on the mature corn. Yeah. So remind me, say when I come out, if you take the left turn, people. Lord of God, have mercy upon me, grandson. Yes. Vehicle man must share the road, as well as we bicycle men. People, I just want to show you how the apple walk look. Yeah, so apple farm, and like, you know me that Jamaican apple walk with you, you know? Yeah, man, so show you how the apple farm look as me getting closer and closer. Yeah. Over there I see people. Yeah, and see it come like they have some drip hose running underneath the cornfield ground. Because if you notice every farm have a couple of them something there. Yeah. We are learning the thing, man. We are learning the thing, people. We are learning the code of the street, you know? Yeah, man. Bird that fly up in a bush, you know, people. So it come like bird get eat regular. Because a baby one that, you know, drop out a nest there or something there now. You know? So people get into the apple farm. Just a show no ones and twos. You know? Don't know much you tell you still because we never worked on an apple farm before. But just a show no ones and twos. I hear that this is an apple farm. See the people? Yeah, that's apple trees. Yeah, apple trees all over there, people. Apple trees. Right, man. You see people? Yeah, apple farm, these people. Yeah, man. So, this are the apple farm. So, see they have drip hose people. Lot of drip hose run all about there and thing. Learn the ball game, you know, people. Because first me even get so close to the apple field. Yeah, so yeah. Just a tour you guys. Let you guys see, cause I guess it go way back around, so yeah, so me just a tour you guys a little. You know. And as me say, if there is any more exciting things I see on the road, I will surely get it in content for you guys. So hope you guys full enjoy this one. Just trying to do a lot of content that I can do for you guys. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe if you never yet do so. Yes, I would really do appreciate that. Yeah, apple farm settings, people. Yeah, man. would have loved to get a work on apple farm all the time. But I heard that it's not a very easy task, you know. Yeah, I heard about that part. So not talking it like it's easy, but I would have really love to get some of this apple picking one at a time. Yeah, man. As I can see, people it go way back around there. Not gonna take you that far. Love you all. Thanks for watching. Check in with you another time. Peeps, look at that. Look at that there, people. Don't sure if you can see it very good. But let's take a good look. I think we can get very close to it. But that one is a black, white and brown. A squirrel. I think I'm not quite sure of a squirrel. But if you guys can leave in the comment section, let me know what is it. I would really do appreciate it. Yeah. Look at that, people. Dig out him. Think him look for food, people. You see it? Try to make a sound, see if he could hear a move. Nah, look. I can't look to see none more when I go down. But I love to see what I do, but you can't walk on people property like that, people. You see me? You can't walk on people property like that. Some food in my look still. I know I can't lucky, but more when I go down. But I want the prettiest one I see so far. I hear say, I don't know if I them want to shoot the pee on you and it stink, make you stink. I don't know if I them. So just leave it in the comment section. Let me know what you think. This is a couple more down on the road. So let's see what we're gonna see when we go down there. I don't really want to go over here so because you know, I don't want to get myself in trouble. Gives me a see if I can squeeze you up on video. Get a closer view of it. You know, more run still. Fast like gunshot. Can see people. See. Seeing people. Look like a mongoose. You see people? Zoom in on it now. You see it? That's the closest me I got team in a people. Very nice and people, that you see a dig? You see people? No sir. Tell you. Excellent one, these people. Look where I go on there, so. Look where I go on. Food them up with time. See where I go on, people. Fast like gunshot. See that, people? Walking that tree that night. See that, people? See that guy? Yeah, watch him. He come over there and look for me, Tina. Don't, sir.